It's interesting. The spacing is different on the front and the back for the slats.
Sylvania. Traditional lights in motion. Modern lights staying still. Indoor-outdoor light set. This is the one that we showed a couple weeks ago, which a repair was attempted, and it was not successful. But it's fixed now, and it's back in the box. Did we already scrutinize the box in the previous video?
We did not, actually.
Oh, perfect.
I was too busy screwing everything up.
All right, let's see what kind of ridiculous features and claims that it makes. It says, more durable wire and plug meets or exceeds 17th edition of Underwriters Laboratories 588 standard. There's a clip for decorating a base grip. Eliminates loose contacts, that's been trademarked. Remains lit even if one bulb goes out, which has been the case for many decades now. New control box. Increased protection against temperature, UV rays, water, and impact. I think we can call baloney on that.
Yeah, that box, that thing like basically crumbled, and these lights have probably never been used, although there's some dispute about that because it looks like somebody tried to put them back in the holder, but they did a good enough job where, I don't know.
It's a really cool looking box, though. It's too bad the graphic is a little screwed up there, but...
It's probably where the price tag used to be.
Okay. 22 gauge wire. Increased resistance to temperature and UV rays, whatever, that's baloney. Quality features. Speed control for motion effect, which broke. Base grip eliminates loose contacts, even though what that means. Remains lit even if one goes out, like they all do. Spare bulbs and fuses included. Would it include 2 bulbs? Replaceable fuse and plug for overload protection. 49 feet total length. It's 4 circuits of 25. 65 watts in total. These are 5-volt bulbs, and the whole string takes 0.6 amps in total. So now these are working. The control box was replaced, so now we can take a look at these.
Yeah, because we don't condone the throwing anything away, I had this control box from another string of lights that had been canceled out probably in 2002, sitting under the couch in the basement. And so I decided that I would repurpose it for this string.
Here's the new box.
Just needs to be siliconed.
Not really a box, it's kind of an odd shape. It has demonstration, waving, fading, blooming, chasing low, chasing medium, chasing high, and steady the glow. It's model RX 202 for indoor and outdoor use. I would say for indoor use only, more like.
Well, not until it gets sealed up. So like I was saying before, I have to fill that with silicone.
I think that this was put back in the box. Someone did put a good attempt at it, but it would be pretty much perfect if it came out of the factory. Okay, that does look much better.
I think that's actually, believe it or not, high-speed chasing. It's slow, a little bit faster, and then this.
Well, we like slow around here, so it fits well.
You might have to press it a little bit harder. There you go.
Okay, so this is 8, steady glow. These are such nice lights.
They certainly are. And these reflectors really disperse the light very nicely. They look really good outside.
Yeah, these are very bright. I guess that's the advantage of the 5-volt bulbs. Is it just regular white bulbs under there?
Yeah, unfortunately. Now, what's interesting about the stupid Kodak, see, that's just a regular clear bulb there.
Hold on. There we go.
The stupid Kodak, for some reason, the multicolored strings, only of 50, not of 100, has like a red, green, yellow, and blue bulb underneath the shade, and it looks really, really vibrant. Like, this almost looks washed out by comparison. I have 2 strings of them at home. I'll have to bring them with me next time I come over, because I'm not going to use them this season. So,
Well, even to me, that doesn't see the colors that good. To me, these are pretty reasonable colors.
oh yeah, the colors are decent on this, but the colors are very, very vibrant on the 50 strings of 50.
All right, let's check out these different settings here. This is demonstration, which I assume just like runs through all the different ones. I'm surprised this isn't wreaking havoc on the auto exposure on the camera. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I like this multifunction controller. This is a very unusual 8-function controller. Usually the ones you see on the strings are the same ones that have been in use since the 90s, and they all kind of look the same.
Does this have all the same functions that the original one would have?
No, the other one was just variable speed. So this actually does more than the original controller did.
So this is kind of an upgrade then.
Technically, yes. I like the variable speed better personally, but because I think that this is a little bit of a gimmick.
This is waving. I think I would use that setting if I had something interesting like this running. I tend to prefer lights just steady on, though. I've never been a big fan of flashing lights and so forth. That's decent, though. This is blooming.
Yeah, this is an interesting effect. I've never seen it. I have another string of GE that has the same controller box on it. But other than that, I've never seen another one. Box!
Yeah, this is kind of a neat setting. This is chasing low. I guess these are not in order because it doesn't look like it's going one after the other.
Well, it switches direction every couple of seconds.
Oh, I see.
It's more noticeable when it goes faster.
Chasing the medium. Yeah, I can see it now. Chasing the high.
Now it's a lot more noticeable that it switches direction.
Yep, I can see it now.
And as this warms up, it actually slows down a little bit.
I was gonna say, that's pretty fast. That's a little too spastic for me. I think I like the fading modes better. I could use this.
Yeah, this is probably what I'll use outside this year.
That's a nice set. I like it. Okay.
Okay. Sorry, I was a little slow there.
Pay attention.